My hometown is Lima. There are many things I can do there. I can go shopping at the mall and eat delicious food. I can visit the history center and take pictures of beautiful places. I can walk near the beach in Miraflores and watch the sunset. I can else go to the I can else go to parks, play soccer and ride my bicycle. My favorite things to do is walking near the beach with my friends. We can relax, talk and eat a snack there. I also like going to the mall because I can watch movie and buy clothes. In Lima, I can enjoy many activities every day. I like my hometown because it is big, beautiful, and interesting.